Hello everyone, it's Joy and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, we are seeing a strong rebound in the Chinese steel market. Futures prices have made a solid recovery from their 3-month low, with futures prices for rebar hot-rolled coil moving upwards to their previous level. What brought about this change? Last week, steel prices were at their lowest levels since late September, mainly due to the weak macro expectations and an oversupply of raw materials. But now, things are shifting. We are seeing some positive macroeconomic signals and improved market sentiment. One big factor in all of this is Trump to officially become the US president on January 20th. There's growing expectations that Trump's initial plan to impose broad tariffs on all imports from all countries might not be as aggressive as first thought. If that's the case, the impact on global trade, including steel, could be less severe than expected. At the same time, in China, traders are weighing the effects of new economic support measures, including looser monetary policy and increased government spending to boost consumption. All of these could help offset some of the risks posed by US trade policy. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent demand increased by more than 100,000 tons. At the same time, total inventory rose by nearly 200,000 tons, and production went up as well. After 7 weeks of production cuts, output has started to recover, but not for all products. Rebar production continues to decline, while hot-rolled coil and other flat steel products are seeing a rebound. With prices going up, we are also seeing more spectacular demand, which is adding fuel to the market's momentum. That said, despite the increase in inventory, stock levels are still lower than they were in previous years. So what's next for the market? In the short term, the supply and demand dynamics are not expected to change dramatically. Instead, what's really driving price right now are macro factors, specifically Trump's trade policy and how market sees China's economic stimulus efforts. Until things are more clearly on these issues, steel prices are likely to remain volatile. Next week, all eyes will be on Trump's policy and how they might affect global trade. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!